Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you have a great week this week. Today's going to be a quick video. We are going to be, if you remember back, Daniel had ordered some Horehound plant seeds, and we've got some here, and we're going to make a tincture out of it. And before we go any further, now we're no doctor or medical person or anything like that. We're not a herbatologist or anything like that there, so do your own homework. But we're going to make a tincture today, show you how we do it. And I found a couple different recipes. One of them you can go ahead and put honey in with. We're going to be using some just whatever cheap vodka you can find. That's what you're going to do. It's going to pull the goodness out of these herbs here. It almost looks like a mint, like it's part of the mint family. But we'll have a link of some of the benefits there for it there in the description. But the one recipe, it said you could mix the honey into it during this process. But we got to thinking probably what we'll do, because it's a bitter taste to it. Anybody that's ever tried Horehound candy or anything like that there, they know that it does have kind of a bad taste. And one of the funny things I've read about it, you take Horehound, you can do it for digestive tract and everything also. It says when you first take it, the bitters in it, the bitter taste, it actually fools your body into thinking you've just ingested poison. Well, that gets your digestive juices and everything a-flowing and everything. Your body's a-thinking, well, it's going to have to fight off the poison. It's not no poison or anything like that, folks. But it makes your body think it is there, and that there helps with the digestive tract and everything like that. But the main reason we're doing this here, Horehound is great for coughs and stuff like that. We're just going to make this and have it on the shelf. But simple to make. Like I said, I'll have in the description some of the benefits and everything that it does for you. It's supposed to do for you. But it's simple. We're just going to, I've got a quart jar here, wide mouth. The reason we're using wide mouth, be easier about putting the stuff in. Just pack it in there real good. Just push it down in there. Carolyn's done washed this. She's used her little salad spinner there. Dried it off. Alrighty. And then simply all we got to do is just take your alcohol, like I said, just the cheap, whatever cheap kind you can find. I should have took that pouring spout out of it. Cover it up there. Okay. Now, set this off to the side there. Push it down here. Seal it up. You're going to put this in a cool, dark place somewhere in your house or basement, wherever. But just somewhere where you won't forget about it. Every couple days, just come through and give it a shake. And we'll do that for 4 to 6 weeks. Then we'll get it out and drain it off and pour the liquid back into the jar. And what you'll do, we will probably mix ours a little bit of honey to give a little bit of sugar taste there. But you can take, I'll have the dosages what they recommend also in the description. But you can put it in water, cold water, warm water, or any kind of beverage. whatever you want to do to get rid of that taste. And then hopefully it'll help you. But once again, like I said, we are nowhere near. We're just doing this. We're doing this for entertainment. We're not telling you what it's going to help or everything like that there. We're just going to give you suggestions. This is what we do. Now this is the first time we've ever made this. Luckily Daniel, like I said, he ordered those seeds and they grew good, and hopefully this will help. Cold and flu season's coming on. Every little bit will help. And knock on wood, our elderberry bushes up there, trees that we planted, knock on wood, they're doing great, folks. They're starting to grow and spread. So hopefully next year, Lord willing, we'll have us some elderberries where Carolyn can, we've never had them before. And we've ordered freeze-dried elderberries, and Carolyn's always made her syrup and everything out of them. But hopefully next year we'll have our own. Alrighty, I'm going to get off here. We run over to Bristol today, and we stopped and got a little bit of footage of a little bit of the leaves. And some places the leaves are looking pretty. Some places the leaves just fell off. I don't know where it's been dry or what there, but some of them's pretty. And we'll have a little bit of that and a little bit of the creek there. But I hope you have a blessed week. Stay safe. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this rest of this little clip here. See you Wednesday. If anybody's lost a crutch, it's sitting here at the Laurel Creek Trailhead bathrooms. It was there the other day when we come through. That right there, it got washed down from the flood.
where the green grass grows. We're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's Homestead, where the story unfolds. Our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.